the commitment you think you've secured, and despite the attention you feed her, nothing she promises is guaranteed, and she may not be.
Hi, I am back with another video. Molweni guys, ndim eseze aka Tagxibo aka Tyana Ngena Stress. Silapha ngaphakathi nankya kanti lapha nawe.
Let me show you what I can.
So today we came to react to some what couples were doing yesterday, to see what you guys were doing. Babenzenza ntoni izolo yaba, cause mna kha ndenzela ndifuna unqatha izolo ndivukile clean isisu cause yabe mphethwe inyongo guys. Clean isisu, clean isisu, and then no ndavasa ngamvasa, kana phuma for a walk, phuma for a walk, siphekela umphokoqo, phuthu, cooked me some phuthu, went to bed. Guys, you're having it nice. Shame us we're not, cause let me tell you about Valentine's Day, guys. Na imini yayizolo andiyithanda mina. It's a very judgmental day, man. Laveke imini yayizolo, man. It's a very judgmental day, cause xa ungena mali you don't matter for nini. Ngangena mali for nini nge-14, which was izolo, which is Valentine's Day. Ublockwa Nigeria yakho ayibloki bhova ayitext nokutexta funa sakubethe alibicela ukubethela nge-good morning text ezi-2, good morning text enehathi ezi-3, ngikubethela i-good morning text enehathi e-1 fanele hela mizuzu. But asikhola apho. So namhlanje siya-reacta man guys yabo, first video but si-reacta from TikTok yabo, but zizovela apha okanye apha. You just don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on post notifications, tell your friends, tell your friend. Enjoy, man. Singabambi grudges, yayazi apha sizela uhave fun, asizange uzogada yonke into, anditsho exactly. So yeah, first video. Yo. Ela ekaka fonini bethe right fonini. Yo. Ani eskela. Ela sitwe ku-propose for Valentine ngo. Bethe Valentine proposals fonini. Nokuyifumene. Awuyifumene umjida hilende. Shout out to the boy. He landed, but man guys, man, I never gonna overspend fonini. Bona nokuthenga iziflowers fake izwa last oko. Oh, sifake emgqomeni mina nxa ngena ngokwalo siflower. Ona noko umfumene. Yabona nawe pha uphethe ibasket fonini nodoli yena. Oh, fondeni. Yo, umbuzo wami fonini utyile. Machita. Bonile le kalentuza fonini. Leka akhanya no peanuts fonini. Fonini nomchita. Oh. Boys need love too fonini. Whoa, fonini. Whoa. Hela. Misuzu sani. Hela. Ayitswe kule dwana. Yo. Hela intswembu lena. Bona guys. Bona banganenzela so. Yeah. Mntanam. Yeah. Oh, fonini. Yena amjithu but uthengile igift yena. Akasemhle ngithanda le nqa yakhe. Yo. Hayi. Ngamachito ngesingenza overdose man.
My favorite part of my gift.
Favorite part of the gift? No! Thatha ubheka lingalalaye. Fani, ngikuthengela inja fela. Yabo mina kahle sibone isibanathenga la ntoni mina nge-Valentine's Day. If beninayo Valentine and benemali, amthengela. Ne? Oh yes, chocolate khona obvious, ne? Flowers, amthengela flowers. Anomthengela flowers mina fanele. Maybe like anomthengela flowers kodwa. Uthengela inja mina. Thengela inja, epapi fanele. Into ephilayo uthengela nodoli fanele. Nodoli sayapha ekoneni fanele angahluphi nohlupha lo. Imthengela inja nokuyibeka ekoneni izophinda ize kuye imhluphe. Yabo, simple. No. Balings.
Yesterday.
Yiphi manje le? Ndivona le akhani. Le amnika igifts kuyo fanele. Wow, man. Wow, fountain. Yila umdidi ufika pha. Mamelana. Wela kakitini.
Oh,
Bye. Go vaya kakitini baby. Wala kakupamela uphila. Bo, lira imniki yakhe kakalubdada. Yambuza ufunani la, you. Ufunani la, yo. Mna, nguwe mna chomama bro. Man. Asibize rupa ngoduke. Suke Eastern Cape. Yazi ukuthi 12-hour drive for suke Eastern Cape phondeni. The Eastern Cape oche Gauteng for ba umuntu wakho akubuza ba ufunani apha. Ufunani? Why do you care bandifunani apha? Obvious ndifuna uzobona wena ndizile uyandibuza bandifunani. What do I want? Oh, phondeni. Diphethe le gift. You don't need to ask about what I want ngoba i-Valentine's Day ndiphathe i-gift. Ndizile ndilapha eGauteng and wawuthe singu forever mos. Yabo, so ngiqonaba manje ukusurprise nge-Valentine's Day ngomuntu wami. Wena fanele instead of univuyelo uqala ujonge pha ogqiba unijonga ogqiba uthi ufunani apha bho phondeni. Hayela. The people you go for, I see it. Yasibona thina zipi? Mna kula situation xa benze wenzani na kula situation ba ben surprise abo ba ben cheer ne. The surprise ba uzile from wherever she is, like how far uhlala pha khona. Let's say uhlala Eastern Cape yabo. Azi lo mnana yabo. Unqaye flowers yonke into yabo. Uzonibona yabo. Mna often engincuma. You stand sami. Yes. Funini ukuthi anganixolela ngoba uyeza. Yo, funini inhliziyo yami yavese osithanda sami jonga man. Masingene phayelini sepha upstairs man. Ufuna ukubonisa ikhala eshit ebed lami. Finish enhlalo uqibile. Uyayazi basiyokwenza noma usibonisa nekhala leshit. It's just that afuna uyithetha phambi kwevideo kaloko. Yabo. Simple ntari nike lo mnana into ayifunayo. Akasuke la ngapha Eastern Cape. Ungafika la mnana ushave no shaver bras. Yo, angikholapha. But still bra. Hi bra. Hi bra. Hi, that's the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a poster you can tell a friend to tell their friend. Like, down.